Hey everybody, it's Tamika, and I had a few requests on how I created this cute little photo wallet that was part of our challenge when I went on a Scrappy retreat with a couple of my YouTube friends. So very easy, very quick and simple. So I am going to share with you the base of how I created this. First, you need to start out with, you can start with whatever, pattern paper or double-sided paper. I'm just going to show you how to do it on this 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. This is Bazzill cardstock. And you want to cut your paper at 9.5 by 5. So I'm going to cut it at 5. I'm going to do this with you so you can see how quick it is. And then 9.5. Okay. And then you want to score that piece, scoreboard out, at 2.5, at 3, at 6, and 6.5. Okay. I'm just going to burnish all of these. With my bone folder. So, oh, I did that one crooked. There we go. So you already have your base. You should have a piece of paper that is kind of a rectangle like that. Okay, and then with the leftover piece of the 12 by 12, you want to cut it at 3.5 by 5, and then you want to do two pieces at 3 by 4.5. So I'm going to cut this leftover piece at 4.5 and cut it at 3, and then this other small piece that's left over at 4.5 by 3. Okay. Now take your pattern paper, the first one that you cut, that's 3.5 by 5. You want to score on the 3-inch side. I'm sorry, on the ½ inch on the 3-inch side. So yeah, the short side you want to score at a ½ inch. So the 3.5-inch side, just score it at a ½ inch. And fold score marks over. And then those two other small pieces, you want to score on the 4-inch side, or 4.5-inch side. 4.5-inch side, you want to score at a ½ inch on that one, and then 4.5 inches, you want to score at a ½ inch on that one. Okay. So I just want to fold these over, get a good crease. Now, you can make as many of these as you want. I made several. After I did my base, I made several of these. Attached it with some Velcro. I made 3 on this side and then 3 on that side. So you have 2 flaps that are, or 2 pieces of paper that are the same, and these are the ones that's 3 by 4.5 that you scored at a ½ inch. Just want to take some adhesive and you want to apply it to this side. So I'm just going to, for the sake of the video, use my hot glue gun, since I'm not going to use this, and line it up with that edge right there, and do the same thing for the other flap. That's my hot glue gun, line it up with the edge right in the center part. Let me show you where I put that at. So you should have the ½ inch space up here and then a ½ inch space here. So your flap should fit right in the center of that. That's done. the next thing you want to do is take your piece that's 3.5 by 5, add some adhesive on that 1/2 inch flap, and add it under that second set of score marks right at the bottom, right up under the last score mark. And you can add as many of these to the bottom as you want as well. Let's see how many I did here. Let's close that up. I added 2 extra pieces of pattern paper. So that's it. The only other thing that I did differently was after I've added all of the layers, you want to continue to layer. If you're going to do, you know, a bunch of flaps, cut more of these pieces, and then I just attached a little piece of Velcro to keep that closed. And you got your bottom flaps down here, and then maybe some Velcro or a magnet at the top up here, and you're done. See how cute and quick that was? So you can use double-sided paper, or you can use regular paper, and you can embellish accordingly. I did add some seam binding to the first 1/2 inch set up here, so when you open up your photo wallet, you can add the seam binding or ribbon right there and have it string around. But yeah, quick and easy. Good Christmas gift. Give to your parents, and you can make it whatever size you want to. So thanks guys for watching, and thank you to those who wanted the quick tutorial. Bye.